or tower on initial contact that you have information. Victor. Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport. Information Victor. 0613 Zulu. Expect ILS approach. Runway 0506. Taxiway Sierra 5 between Taxiway Sierra and Taxiway Sierra Papa closed until 1030 Zulu. Due to works, Taxiway Sierra and Taxiway Sierra Papa available. Wind 340 degrees. 09 knots. Wind varying between 300 and 020 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud few 1,600 feet. Scattered 2,200 feet. Temperature 32. Dew point 23. QNH 1010 hectopascal. Nautic. Northbound departure frequency 129.3. Southbound departure frequency 125.1. Spray 1 radar departure may be issued by controller before departure. Inform Taipei approach or tower on initial contact that you have information. Victor. Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport. Information.